Ngayon mga si ano,
Sino?
yung patay na si Mike.
Ang sarap mo, Pia! Sorry.
Filipino brother, how are you?
I'm doing fine, Kazakhstan friend.
Where are you from? Exactly.
Exactly, huh? Well, I'm from the Philippines. Born and raised organically.
Oh, what happened with your voice? Why it's very like it is extremely gentle, you know?
Gentle, oh, wow. Expecting, like... Sir, hello, sir. Hello from Kazakhstan, sir. Morning. You expecting Filipino sounds like this? Like,
No. I
Jen.
expect you to have kind of like the tone, like like the deep voice.
is this voice deep enough, sir?
Pwede na.
Pwede. Sabi ng Pilipino to, random. Nakakaramdam ako, sir, eh. Nakakaramdam ako sa itlog na lumalabas sa'yo, sir, eh. Feeling ko, Pilipino ka, eh.
Itlog talaga.
Yes, sir. You both like Filipino? No. Bakit nakatingin ka sa akin na parang akong tinignan lang gano'n? Kaya parang alam mo, parang may binibreak mo yung fourth wall, kabayan. Mo tingnan ng ganyan, pisting niya ako.
Yun, ansan nga yun? Sa bansa yun? Kalimutan ko ah.
Metro Manila, bay.
Tangina, laging Bisaya. Ah,
Ano ha? Bakit? Ba't ka nagulat, kabayan?
Hey, boy.
Girl ako, guy.
Ay, gabading ka ba?